Hi friends, how are you all doing? I hope all of you are doing fine. My name is Shupti and I welcome you to my YouTube channel where I do videos on fashion, makeup and skincare. I also have an Instagram account where I do share similar content like this, and I'm quite active there on Instagram, so if you want you can follow me out there as well. Now, today in this video, I'm going to do a review regarding a particular skincare product which I'm now trying for almost a month now. And I thought that this is the best time to give my honest opinion and review about this particular product. There's so much of rave about this one, and I thought that why not make a separate video regarding this particular product. So let's talk about this particular skincare product, what it is and why it is so much raved about, and does it really work on the skin or not. Everything I will tell you in detail. So without much further ado, let's start today's video. So today I will be talking about a particular skincare product which is from Kama Ayurveda, and this is called as Nalpamaradi Thailam. Now this is a little bit of tongue twister for me while pronouncing the name, but somehow the other I have now learned it, I guess. It's called Nalpamaradi Thailam, which is a skin brightening treatment, and the bottle looks like this. It's a 50 ml size bottle from Kama Ayurveda and it costs rupees 575. Now this is the first time I'm using anything from Kama Ayurveda. Here in India, people talk about this particular brand so much that I really wanted to give this a try, that whether this skincare product really works or not. And moreover, I got more intrigued on trying this brand because it's Ayurvedic. Anything which is Ayurvedic, I'm easily drawn towards it. So I really wanted to try this, and let's talk about this now in details. So this particular Nalpamaradi Thailam oil, this is actually being known as a natural skin illuminator, which is being used in order to detan face and body. It has turmeric inside it, so it really helps in uneven skin tone, in pigmentation marks and any kind of marks on the face. This is especially being prescribed for would-be brides, as it has a turmeric property in it, so it really helps to create that natural glow on the face, and so it's so perfect for the brides on their specialty. Now this particular oil is suitable for all skin type, be it normal to dry, oily, sensitive or acne prone skin, but I will still suggest you to do a patch test before using this oil directly on your face and body. Now I love turmeric and I just love to apply it on my face and body for that natural glow. So when I heard that this particular oil has a turmeric in it, so I just thought why not give it a try and see that how it works. Now this is an oil which has turmeric in it and it's light yellow in color. It has a tendency to actually have a little bit of stain on the face and body when applying, so you just need to be a little careful when applying. The way of using this particular oil is you just apply this on your clean face, that is you use any mild cleanser of your choice, and after that you just directly apply this oil, keep it for 30 minutes and then wash it off. Normally it's being prescribed to use thrice in a week, so it all depends on your schedule, that you know, when you're getting the time to pamper yourself, you can do it once in a week or twice in a week or thrice in a week. It all depends on you. Don't try to do a night remedy like keeping it the whole night and the next morning you just washing your face. If you are applying this and keeping it the whole night, it can stain your pillow cover. Now this particular oil not only has a turmeric in it, it also has sandalwood. So due to its turmeric and sandalwood property, it's actually safe to use on face and body. This kind of oil is used to treat various skin problems like itchy skin, dermatitis, eczema, acne, blemishes, dark spots or uneven skin tone. It can also be used on mosquito bite, marks, suntan, prickly heat, and also as a baby massage oil. In fact, it's also best used on your dark circle and also on your feet. Now the shelf life of this particular product is 1 year. Now as I've mentioned before, that as it's being said here that this oil is perfect for any skin type, whether it's normal or dry or oily, but I will suggest you that it's what I feel, and according to me, that this is perfect for normal to dry skin. Oily skin people, I think they should stay away from this oil, because or if you really want to try this particular oil, do a patch test before using this, because it can actually make your skin much more oily. Since it is an oil product, it is not that greasy oil, or it doesn't have any kind of sticky feeling to it. It really gets absorbed onto the skin very well. But still, for oily skin people, I feel this is not the oil for them. This is actually meant for normal to dry skin people. Now, this particular product actually claims that it actually provides a beautiful glow to the face. It helps to make the skin look much more radiant, and yeah, it gives a kind of natural glow to the face. Now let's discuss about like whatever it claims, whether it does that or not. In my opinion, whenever you are trying out any particular skincare product, it just can't give you a result within a night. You need to apply that consistently, and you need to be patient when applying the product. So in my case, I'm going to talk about, like, I have a normal to dry skin texture, and it's almost 1.5 months now that I'm using this particular product. And for me, this product started showing in 3rd week. So the first 2 weeks I didn't notice anything remarkable on my skin. From 3rd week, I started noticing that my skin has become much more clear, and it was a kind of natural glow which was showing onto the face, and I was really loving that thing. My skin became much more even. All those uneven textures which were there on my skin just faded out, and I really started feeling much better. And yeah, this particular product really works. So what I did is that initially, as it's being said that you need to apply thrice a week, so try to do that, once you start applying thrice a week, and then you slow down and make it to twice or once in a week, depending. Now, I actually use this product thrice a week for almost a month now, and I could really see the result on my skin. And now finally the question comes that whether you should go for this oil or not. I suggest you, yes, of course you can go ahead and get this oil in your life, because this is really a very fantastic product. With its Ayurvedic property, it really is so much beneficial for face and body, and I can't stop praising about this particular oil. There are 2 different sizes which are available. So initially, when you are trying it out, just like me, go for a smaller size. That's the reason I went for a smaller bottle, 50 ml size. Now, Kama Ayurveda products are a little bit, their prices are on the steeper side, but I feel that since this is such a magical product, works on your skin so beautifully, that it's worth spending the money. Now you will see that there are a lot of Nalmaparadi Thailam oil of different brands, but I feel that Kama Ayurveda is the best, and I think if you want to really try out this particular oil, you should go ahead with Kama Ayurveda. So if you have used this oil, so let me know in the comment section what is your opinion, you feel about this particular oil. Now, I really feel proud of the fact that this particular product is made in India. Kama Ayurveda product is made in India, and they make such awesome products that I really am proud to say that the skincare in India is really so good. There are so many amazing brands which make amazing skincare products, and Kama Ayurveda, I feel, is one of them. Now, this is not a sponsored video from Kama Ayurveda. This is just my honest feeling about this particular brand. And since I've got the result, and that is also in a very positive way, that's the reason I just can't stop praising about this particular brand. And I hope that now, through this video, you guys also have got some idea about this particular Nalmaparadi Thailam oil, what is being used for, what is its usage, and how it is being used, and whether it's worth enough spending money on this particular oil or not. I hope you've got all your answers. So this brings us to the end of this video. So if you've liked this video, then please hit on the like button and do subscribe my channel. I will be coming up with another video very soon. Till then, all of you take care, and I love you guys. Bye.